Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a US Bank CD. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch your US Bank app, and you'll actually see on your main menu your certificate of deposit maturity alert banner that will let you know the date your CD will mature as well as the timeline before auto renewal. So click on that banner to continue, and then what I want you to do is go ahead and just choose what you would like to do with your funds. So if you want to continue to close the CD, basically to redeem it, just come here, click on this. And then what I want you to do here is just go ahead and choose an account to transfer the total closing balance of your certificate of deposit. So we'll click here on continue. We'll just stick with our checking account, click on that. And then I want you to just review everything. So your closing balance, the account to receive the funds, click here on submit, click on that, and then you'll actually get this notification that you're all set and your CD has been closed. You'll no longer appear under accounts. You can return now to your dashboard. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. I'll see you in the next one.